this is Fiona from Ether. Today I will introduce you a verified company which is called Jiangsu Hengsai Metal Material. The company was founded in 2009. Hengsai is located in Wuxi, and Wuxi is the biggest stainless steel supply center in China. The factory total area is more than 10,000 square meters. On my left side is our automatic stainless steel slitting machine. Here is our stainless steel slitting production line.
Each of stainless steel sheets is made by stainless steel coils. Now let's take a closer look at them. You can notice there is a protective paper in the middle of each board. It prevents the board from scratching the surface as it comes down. We will put around 10 tons of boards on a wooden pallet for storage.
On my left side is our laser cutting machine.
Now on my right side is our automatic embossed machine. Now behind of me, the workers are packing the embossed stainless steel plates, and the length is around 10 meters. Now behind of me is our punching machine. This is our embossed stainless steel productive process. We can see here is our stainless steel plate store. Now we are in our embossed stainless steel plates warehouse. Now we are in the stainless steel coil warehouse. Let's take a closer look at our package. It's waterproof and rust-proof. See what's the packaged goods according to customers' requirements. We cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as Europe, the Middle East, America, and so on.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.